Happy Monday, ladies. Another one for you, overly embroidered with injection of green sequin, which I love, and all the colors is like jewel tones. This is a hand embroidery on the mask. I think it's pretty, and there is a little bug. You can see the it's not a tulle, it's organza, black organza on your nose bridge. Good quality cotton inside. Once again, wire in the nose bridge, and a bug with a little flower, kind of web outside the bug. I think it's very interesting to wear. I will be taking pictures today, and I think as far as accessories go, this is my earring. If you are in beauty pageants, that's a nice combination for some mysterious and magical kind of dress, I guess, or look that you might have. Imagine that together. I think it will go well with the feathers and the earrings, and my little bug and green dab, you know, netting tones and jewel tone of bidding. It will be very pretty. I think it will be very pretty. Once again, I made the adjustable ear loops now, so you can there is no more tying. You can just adjust it the way you do it for your, well, lingerie per se. Alright, let me know what you think. Ladies and gentlemen, this is new from MILA Fashion, National Pride. I believe tomorrow is the first day for Nationals, and dedicated to that event, I created a mask with a straw hole. You can see the same way you probably seen before. I have masks with straw holes. It's a silicone straw. You can fold it and put it in a special container. Sorry, I cannot do it with one hand, but this this container holds the straw. Let me try to open it. Okay, you can see the straw goes inside, and there is a straw cleaner, and then all it's on a C-ring or whichever the key ring. You can put it on your pants, to your purse, and so forth. So you can carry this silicone straw. You can also attach your mask to that hook. You can see the hook, you can attach it together, just carry it around. And it's a cotton-based mask. So there is a cotton inside, the same way the wire in the nose, and this is cotton outside. And this is the sticky tape. It's a pretty good protection for the straw hole. It's very firm, so there is no really airflow of any kind. And pure cotton. High quality with the print, obviously Nationals, Washington Nationals, and it will be available tonight on my website mila.fashion in different sizes. This one is my size, and this is medium. You can see there is a medium size, right? And I have from small, extra small to extra large now available on my website. So I'll look at the size guide and see what you like. Okay, let me know.